Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy I Like Your Style. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the chillest analyst. Tonight is Betway Premiership and the Orlando Pirates are up against Stellenbosch, and I'd like to know your predictions for the game. My prediction for the game is that, of course, guys, we know that Orlando Pirates have been chasing the league behind the Mamelodi Sundowns. So I'll give this one to Orlando Pirates because they are desperate to win this match, and I feel like it's a must-win for Orlando Pirates. Every match they're gonna play this season is gonna be a must-win for Orlando Pirates because they cannot afford to lose points against Mamelodi Sundowns, because we saw that Mamelodi Sundowns, they're already flying high in the Betway Premiership, being the number one for very long now. So yes, guys, I'll give it to Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates is gonna win by 2-1. Stellenbosch is obviously not gonna back down, so I feel like they're gonna score at least one goal, to consolidation goal, so that they can go back to the drawing books and make sure that they come back for the next game against their opponents. So Orlando Pirates, today's match, I think Orlando Pirates are gonna win it in the midfield. I think Orlando Pirates are gonna congest that midfield to make sure that they block each and every movement that Stellenbosch is gonna try to do in that midfield, to progress to the goalkeeper to try to score. So Sipho China is one of the players who are gonna be Orlando Pirates man of the match today. So I think he's gonna have to play a big role, because we know that Stellenbosch is a very attacking team, and so both teams are very well, even their squad is well reinforced. So yeah, guys, I feel that today we're gonna watch a match that is gonna be a very tactical match. In Orlando Pirates, at least, we saw some of the players coming back from the injuries, and we also saw players like Abotito Maswanganyi. They went to the injuries now, so yeah. So it's not gonna be the very same Orlando Pirates that has played in previous matches against the Stellenbosch, because we know players like Abotito were there, yeah, Abu Saleng, they were also there. So now it's another fixture. So I feel like they're gonna introduce the new youngsters, because we saw Pirates introducing many youngsters, guys. So yeah, it's gonna be a very entertaining one, because I also Stellenbosch, they have majority of their squad is youngsters, and they are very talented. So today is gonna be a very entertaining one, and we are waiting for it. I'm really waiting for it, guys. So yeah. So the lineups of the two teams, obviously they are going to play a very crucial part in the match. So the lineup of Orlando Pirates, I don't really think that they will go much into the defense, because we're really focusing on goals. We understand that Orlando Pirates, okay, they don't want to concede as well, but the main part is to score goals, because they really need those points, guys. So now that Mamelodi Sundowns is up there, it's pressure for Orlando Pirates. So here is how I think Orlando Pirates will line up. In the goalkeeper, Sipho China came back in the net bank and saved penalties, guys. Yo. So yeah, Sipho China will start the match, and then on the left hand side, Dion Hoto, the two center backs, Mbokazi, the young talent, and then Tloki again. I hope Tloki doesn't make mistakes today, guys. And then on the right hand side, Ndlozi, the young potential. So yeah, I think Ndlozi will start, because yeah, they saw that he has potential, and he's that the boy is talented. Yeah, he has those passes. He can avail himself in the box and pass the ball with each other, and yeah, you know, he can try to at least produce magic, unlike this boy Dejan van Rooyen. Yeah, he's a little bit different from Dejan van Rooyen. Anyway, so in the midfield, I think it's gonna be Makhetleni Makaula, it's gonna be Mbatha, and then it's gonna also be Relebohile Mofokeng. So Relebohile Mofokeng will be in the midfield, and then Dlamini will be on the side for those crosses, to put in those crosses. So, and then their right wing, we're gonna use Nkota. Mohau Nkota will be our right wing, and then the striker obviously Mabasa, to score those goals, sniper, because we really need those goals today. Yes, guys, so that's how I think Orlando Pirates will line up. It is very obviously that Stellenbosch, they're gonna put their best lineup. Andre De Jong will be there, and Mojela also will be there. They have Basadine on the starting lineup. Like they are very talented, those guys. So yeah, I really think their squad is gonna match Orlando Pirates, and we're gonna really watch a match that is very entertaining tonight. We will see what is really cooking in the Champions League, in the CAF Confederation and CAF Champions League. So yeah, that's what we wanna see today. We saw that Mamelodi Sundowns against Orlando Pirates, we were cooking the CAF Champions League. So now we wanna cook the CAF Confederation and CAF Champions League, guys. So yeah, today is Betway Premiership, guys. Don't forget that today is Betway Premiership, and we also have another game that's coming also tonight in Mamelodi Sundowns up against Amazulu, guys. So if Mamelodi Sundowns win, that means they continue their form. They continue to make things hard for Orlando Pirates. But if Mamelodi Sundowns lose against Amazulu and Orlando Pirates win, that means things are still looking good for Orlando Pirates, guys. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for chillest analysis.